The rainforest is an amazing place with animals and plants.
A rainforest is hot, sticky, and rainy. It is also damp.
All rainforests have 4 layers. They are called the forest floor, understory, canopy, and emergent layer. There are animals in the rainforest like sloths, birds, snakes, bugs, and monkeys. The animals have adaptations. Some camouflage with green and brown skin. Most climb trees because there is less space.
In addition to animals, plants like grass and trees all grow in the rainforest. For example, when I go to the rainforest, I'll see banana trees. Also, there are cocoa trees, rubber trees, berry bushes, and ferns. As you can see, rainforests are great places to explore plants and animals. The ocean has animals, plants, and other interesting things. First of all, the temperature in the ocean is very cold and sometimes warm in the twilight zone. There are fish and a lot of sharks. Sharks can smell blood from very far away.
Dolphins can hold their breath for 30 minutes. Starfish can be very poisonous when you touch it.
There are also sea slugs in the ocean. In addition, there are plants like kelp, coral, and seaweed.
Coral can live up to 80 years old.
As you can see, the ocean is very awesome.
Coral reef is home to many plants and animals.
There are limestone, hard coral, soft coral, algae, seaweed, and staghorn coral.
Coral is made from tiny animals called polyps.
In addition, there are fish, dolphins, jellyfish, seahorses, crabs, seabirds, stingrays, and sea turtles. There are squirrelfish, Maury eel, tiger shark, black catfish, clownfish, dogfish, and pufferfish. The coral reef can be warm or cold depending on the climate.
As you can see, the coral reef is an amazing place.
The tundra has a lot of interesting plants and animals. The Arctic tundra could be below 32 degrees Celsius, below 25 degrees Fahrenheit in the winter. It could be 4 degrees Celsius, about 40 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer.
There are some plants in the tundra. Some wildflowers grow in the Arctic tundra in the summer, and Arctic poppies can stay in the tundra even when it is winter. There are also snow hares, oxes, krill, and Arctic wolves. In addition to the tundra has polar bears, seals, foxes, and more interesting animals.
The tundra covers 1/10 of Earth's land. Most of the tundra is in the northern hemisphere. Clearly, the tundra has a lot of cool plants and animals to see. There are a lot of interesting plants and animals in the savannas. The savanna is hot and dry. There are tigers and snakes in the savanna. Next. There are lions in the savannas. There are koala bears too. Also, there are many plants, grass, and trees. Clearly, there are a lot of plants and animals in the savanna. The temperate forest has plants, animals, and other interesting things.
First, the temperate forest has wide, flat leaves.
Plants make food from sunlight.
Second, the temperate forest has timber wolves and coyotes.
Third, the forest has opossums, black bears, snakes, and frogs.
Next, the temperate forest can be very warm or very cold, in the range between minus 30 degrees C and 30 degrees C.
Temperate forests generally have 5 levels. As you can see, there are amazing things to learn about in the temperate forest. Our ecosystem has many interesting animals, and plants. The desert has many animals living in the heat. A lot of deserts have scorpions, snakes, jackrabbits, kangaroos, and lizards.
Most of the deserts is a very hot place. Deserts are very cold at night. Deserts have a lot of cactus. As you can see, we have a lot of interesting facts about our ecosystem.